But before we start, let me introduce the characters of this vlog.
This is Juanito, the only guy in our group. Always hungry, so he's always eating. Also, always broke, mostly from food and random things he definitely didn't need. And when he's happy, he starts shaking his butt and dancing. In fact, he'll happily spend most of his budget on one really good meal.
Yan na, mag-immigration na kami, guys.
This is Jessica. You'll always catch her being frustrated with Juanito. But don't worry, that's her version of love. She finds true happiness in getting her nails done. Fresh set, fresh attitude. And if you're wondering where her money went, well, let's just say Ho Chi Minh did not survive her shopping spree. And neither did her bank account. This is Lila, strongest personality in the group. Like, good luck arguing with her. You can try, but just know you will lose. She's naturally funny too, like, you don't even need to try. Just talk to her and you'll be laughing. And of course, she's the most chronically online. She knows every trend before it even trends. If you need saving tips, go to her. This is Nicole, our personal driver. She takes us everywhere. And the best part? She doesn't even charge us for gas. At first, she's shy. But give it a minute, she gets super playful and talkative. You'll also notice one thing about her. She is obsessed with football shirts. And somehow, she keeps buying white t-shirts that all look exactly the same. Lastly, this is me, Callie, the loudest one in the group. Like, if you hear someone talking non-stop in the background, it's probably me. I also forced everyone into this vlog because I love making videos and pretending I'm a travel influencer. Fun fact, this whole trip was actually my idea. Yes, mine. And to make it happen, we had to save 500 every single week for more than a year. Which means I basically financially traumatized my friends for this. Anyway, now that we're finally here after all that suffering, saving, and self-control, let's start the vlog.
Si Jessica. Vlog mo ganyan sa vlog.
Apik, oy, 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 oy,
Kala mo di pinuksa eh. Ay, nabangga.
Talaga tayo nag-video.
Picture din. Nicole, picture kayong dalawa ni Laila. Okay. Una sila. Dito kami sa gate. Picture. Excited na kami pumunta ng gate. Picture kayong tatlo. Wait lang. Yan, maiwan mo pa, uwala mo talaga. Ayan sila, oh. Ano masasabi?
Paldo. I love this room. It's so good.
Dito daw kayo. Uy! Ito. Ay, may CR sila dito, babe. Sige, dito na lang kayo. Kasi, marami kita. Ang ganda, no? In fairness, hindi tayo na-scam. Ano, tara?
Hindi nag-aaway.
Nag-aaway yan. Pepe, pakita mo ko. Kaya pala yung iba pinapabawasan nila. Language. Nakalagay sa bagay.
O, tara na. Mag-ano na tayo.
Sabi, ano dito yung mayo? Vina Bills. Mura lang sa akin.
Record. Milyonaryo na sila, guys. Sabi ko sa'yo, makakabili ka pa. Tanong mo.
May nakita ako 300 lang sa 300.
Yun sila, nag-enjoy na sila. Book Street. Yes, we're in sa phone. Ang ganda, gagi. Ang dami pa. Nandito yung mga maleta, eh. Ano?
Mag-picture tayo ng mga color. Ano yun yung mas ano yung favorite color mo?
Green.
So lahat ng mga green na makita mo, picture na.
Ah, sige.
Ako orange.
Okay.
Ikaw, ano gusto mo?
Lahat daw. Ikaw ano? Pink. Pink daw sa'yo. Pink.
Ikaw, Jessica.
Favorite color mo daw? May nakita kami. Hello. Ayan. Tara, okay na? 100 daw. 0.5 ko ah.
May mga perfume, perfume.
Ayun oh. Ang cute.
Magkano 55?
Magkano daw 55?
Ano lang, te? Sa times 2 mo siya.
May nanunulak. Ano? Ref magnet, di ba gusto niya? Ref magnet. Ba't inaamoy mo? Ha? Napagod na. Ito yung princess natin. Pagod na sila. Papunta kami sa War Remnants Museum. Masarap. Lasang toge. Etong isa, ni isa. Iba, ano siya, may iba-iba siya.
Pero, similar sa lumpiang to.
Be.
Ito sa. Pero kung bagong luto mo sa
Pasawsaw nga rin ako, pwede. Pasawsaw.
pork.
No, din ako eh. Sa bridge.
Iniwan pa.
Picture dito.
Akala ko picture.
Look.
Sakay na kami.
Tayo lang yung Filipino, kaya Filipino pa.
Oo nga eh.
The first one is the Queen Day. She up there, alright? In the big house up there. And the
Mababayad ka kasi. Oh, ay maganda. Bilin mo. Bilin mo na.
Oy!
Ayan sila.
Okay lang yan! Preps yan!
Ganda. Ano ba yun? Ito ba yun? Yung binalikan pa ni Juanito? Ito ba yun? Itong red? Ha?
Hindi pa kami nakapasok dyan.
Tingnan nga natin. Ay, yung cute!
Better on video.
Ay, totoo. Natutuwa na siya. Natutuwa siya. Ang ganda parang may bet. Shirt. Ay, may mga damit din. Ang cute. Baka may CR. Tanong mo nito. Mura, mahal. Longganisa. Ano ba yan? Mas gusto ko siya walang sauce. Masarap may sauce o wala?
Gusto ko, mas.
Pati lang. Parang burger. No? Sarap. Okay na. Ano? Lahunting pura. Saan siya bagay? Dun sa sauce? Bagay siya sa sauce. Ano ba yung sauce? Ano yung sauce na yan?
Hindi ko matansya.
Kain din tayo. Hindi mo alam.
Kuha kayo, kuha kayo.
May mayonnaise. May mayonnaise.
Ay, ikaw naman.
Hindi ko matansya. Hindi ko alam, sorry.
Gusto ko toyo. Ayan na, gago.
Tanong mo siya.
They came together. Everyone entered the circle to bathe and wash. And with the love of everyone, the life of gorillas in the circle will...
Bumibilis siya. Nakikita niya na, ang bilis niya maglakad.
Oh my God.
Ay, ang ganda no.
Wait lang, huwag ka muna gumalaw. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop.
May namatay na ba dito?
Wala. Oo. Disneyland to ng ano, Vietnam. Wow. Videoan mo kaya ako? Video ka? Last na for the day. Go, go, go. Go na. Si Juanita mag-isa. Hi! Sarap. Yeah. Dahil cute siya. Cute siya. Ang dami. May magnet, Beth. Ito magnet. Magkano dito? Anong price? Ay, 110 din. Parang lang. Parang ganda. Ayan din yung last time. Yan nandun sa ano. Ito bago to. Hindi ko nakita. Eh, parang nandun yun. Wala tayong notebook. Let's go.